Hello everybody, we've got another mod for the S7 coming up. Another install video, another review video. Ta-da! The JHM fuel line reroute kit for the 4.0T. So, fittings, stickers, and line. And line. And another and line. So, if you're looking at the top of the engine bay in the 4.0T, right? Let's imagine this little square is a 4.0T engine bay. Up here is the original feed. It goes down a line and hits the high pressure fuel pump on the left side, which then traverses another line that's attached to that to go to the high pressure fuel pump on this side. So the idea is we're going to take and stop this choke point right here on the first high pressure fuel pump and Y back here off the original fuel supply, at which point we'll have one line going here, another one chasing it but on the side, and another one coming all the way here. So now both high pressure fuel pumps are good to go. So I look forward to doing the video and giving you my honest thoughts and opinions on this. Thanks.